Imagine standing on a cold French beach in 1940, hearing enemy bombers overhead and knowing there's no escape. That was the nightmare of Dunkirk, until ordinary heroes changed everything. Story: in May 1940, World War II seemed nearly lost for the Allies. Hitler's blitzkrieg had swept through France, trapping British, French, and Belgian troops on the beaches of Dunkirk. With the German army closing in, Prime Minister Winston Churchill launched Operation Dynamo, a desperate attempt to rescue his army. But there was one problem. Britain didn't have enough ships. So, the call went out, and hundreds of civilians answered. Fishermen, ferry captains, even weekend sailors brought their small boats across the dangerous English Channel. For 9 days, under relentless air attacks, they ferried men from the beaches to larger warships waiting offshore. The little ships of Dunkirk became legends. Soldiers described elderly sailors calmly steering through burning oil slicks to pick up the wounded. Many boats never returned, sunk by bombs, gunfire, or storms, but they saved over 330,000 lives. Impact and ending. Dunkirk wasn't a victory, but it became a symbol of unity, courage, and defiance. Churchill's words captured it best: "We shall fight on the beaches, we shall never surrender." Subscribe to The History Insider for more unbelievable, true stories from the past.